got a quick video because it's quite important from what I've been explaining in my last video actually about gold and the price of gold and these pockets. So if you go back to my previous video, you can see what I'm talking about here. But let's just move over to the charts and I'll show you what I mean. So yesterday I recorded a video on YouTube and Facebook group and LinkedIn, and I think that's it. Now, as you can see, I've drawn these pockets of, this is the price of gold against the dollar. Now, the other day, I looked at these pockets and I thought, right, okay, well, there's a possibility that gold, if it doesn't break above this line at the top up here, then there's a possibility it will drop right down to this sort of level here. So I placed an order, one of them at 1945 and a couple more a bit lower. So now, if the price, let's just have a look, where did I place the orders? Silver, same sort of thing with silver really. So yeah, 1939, around this level, around here is where I've got a load more orders. So what I was forecasting, potentially, if the price of gold does break above and stays above this level here, 1968-ish, then it could continue to go up. Now today, it's been very volatile. You can see the price went up from 1962 right up to 1970, then back down to 1949 straight away, and then settled back up here 1959, and then it's dropped off this afternoon quite a bit further. So my order has been triggered, so I'm in profit on this order. Well, not now, I was 5 minutes ago when I looked for this video, but anyway, I'm in yeah, so it's a break even. 1945 exactly is where I bought one lot of gold. Down here I have a few more lots of gold waiting. So we can now draw another pocket . We can draw another pocket potentially in around about there. So potentially we may see a lower price. If it comes down here and gets me into these trades down the bottom, I'm happy. If it just carries on going up, I'm happy. If it comes down and breaks this, then I need to look at what I'm doing, decide whether I've got a stop loss on these orders, quite low. So we'll have to wait and see, but I'm expecting a spike down, similar to this, around here, bounce off here. Maybe I need to move one of these orders up a little bit, just in case I don't catch it. You see, this might happen. This happened here. Okay, so we have to wait and see that on that. So really, but this is very, very good for bot trading as well. It's very important for bot trading because, you know, we don't want to be stuck in trades. We don't want to be caught out, basically. So this is why we turned the bots off earlier on, around about here, before the news. News did this. Now, if the news had pushed gold up to here, which it did, and it carried on going, then we would not want to have our bots on. but instead it went up. Probably got a load of people into trades above this level, like it did back here, like it did back here. You know, because they know there's lots of people here with orders waiting. But my orders were down here. And I put them on when the price is up here. So yeah, I was right. Well, half right, because I made one of these trades so far. Obviously, if it carries on dropping, then I'm not right at all. However, it looks to me that has bounced. Potentially come back down a bit lower. Expect the same thing on silver. Yep, same thing on silver. Same sort of pockets you're looking at here. These pockets of areas. Slightly different with silver, but you can see there's a big pocket there. I mean, silver really is gold on steroids, so we have to remember that it's more volatile, moves quicker, it's a smaller market cap. So yeah, that is really where we're at with silver and gold. Oil, okay, yeah, oil started to rally again, which is nice. So I'm in oil. What else am I in? I'm in palladium. Tesla. Okay, Tesla. Yep. Now, I never normally buy high with Tesla, but I did buy around here. So I'm in profit with this. So now my stop loss is trading. Yep, I'm in a bit of profit there. Coinbase is all over the place. Apple. What's going on with the FTSE? Doesn't know where to go. It's not a buy or a sell for the FTSE at the moment. Good time for bot trading, but we don't trade that with the bot. I mean, look at the pound, actually. The BIXI. It's a pound index. Getting stronger. So there we go. Let's just move over to our bots. Okay, so this is the gold flow. It's on £1,000 yesterday. So the master is currently in a drawdown, £71. It's only £1,000. What I'm going to do is top these accounts up to 5,000 each, I think, because what does happen is what's just happened on one of these bots. So there you go, 714. So I'm expect that's obviously made a loss because I expect my equity protector has been hit. So yeah, there you go. So equity protector was on at 30%. So yeah, 30%. So obviously 30% of 1,000 and whatever it was is about £714. So yeah, so that's a shame that happened. But again, you know, I'm showing you what can happen in this situation. It's proven the equity protector works. Okay, I made a 285 loss on that particular bot just simply because there's not enough money in the account. Now, my drawdown is look, £290. So, I mean, that is what has caused my equity protector to action and close out the trades it was in. Now, it didn't happen with this one. And they're exactly the same bots, exactly the same money, exactly the same risk. Oh no, these are 0.01. This one's at 0.02. Yeah. Okay. There's your issue. See, that was a mistake, of mine. I should not have that bot trading on 0.01, sorry, 0.02 starting lot trade and on only £1,000, So what I've got to do now, I've got to make that back up with this particular bot before I start withdrawing profits. However, look at this one, the Gold Max. It's done £205 in 2 days. This one, the other Gold Max, done £161 in 2 days. So overall, so what do we say? 205, 205, 161. 365, 375, 380, 390, about 425, around that. So I've made about 425 quid out of these bots overall, and then I've lost 200, well, 300, so I'm about still 100 or so quid up. So what I've got to do, I'm going to refund these with another 4,000 each. Get them all up to 5,000 because that's a nice balance. Because you think about it, my 30% equity protector at on a £5,000 account is £1,500. It's unlikely that my drawdown is going to go to £1,500. Whereas here on this 700, this one that's had that loss, the equity protector has actually kicked in because it's 30% of 1,000, which is not enough. So that was the issue really with that. I do also have these other bots here. So let's check these. Just change that to the other set of bots. Okay, so these are all operating nicely. Made some withdrawals of them recently as well. Because what I do is I withdraw the profits, or half of the profits at the end of each month, across the board. So if you've got 10 bots, my theory is 10 bots all making 1,000 a month. It's 10,000 a month for those bots on small accounts. So, obviously we can increase that. We can increase the risk when we go to a higher on the other Pepperstone FCA regulated broker. Now those bots, they'll be in £5,000 accounts this week, so I'll refund those accounts and not refund them, fund them up to 5,000 each, and go from there. So yeah, that's the end of this trading video. But I just wanted to show you what's happened to gold as forecast. Obviously, we're sitting around that 1945 area, and it could potentially go a little bit lower. However, we will just have to wait and see.